Here we introduce the operation method of the electric vehicle charging plug and socket power cord mechanical strength flexing testing apparatus. This apparatus has 3 stations. Each station is controlled independently without interfering with each other. On the left side of the apparatus is the control panel. Open the safety door from left to right inside the apparatus. They are the first station, the second station, and the third station. There are 3 rows of terminals under each station for sample and load wiring. Now take the second station in the middle as an example to introduce the connection method. Route the sample power wire above the fixture and then through the wire hole below. Rotate the handles on both sides of the clamp to clamp the sample. Rotate the lower manipulator of the clamp to ensure that the outlet of the power cord is aligned with the center of rotation of the clamp. Clamp the power cord with the weight clamp. Select the load weight according to the standard requirements according to the wire diameter. Hang the weight on the round hole on the weight clamp. Adjust the baffle so that the center of the power cord passes through the center hole of the baffle. Thread the external load wire through the hole on the lower right side of the apparatus. Since the sample is single phase, connect the external load to the U and N terminals in the third row. The live wire and neutral wire of the power line in the lower part of the sample are connected to the U and N terminals of the second row. Let out the live wire and neutral wire of the upper part of the sample, and connect the live wire and neutral wire of the external load to the U and N terminals of the first row respectively. After connecting, enter the control screen of the second station on the touch screen. Manual forward rotation or manual reverse rotation to adjust the pointer to 90 degrees. Click the origin confirmation button. Set automatic frequency and bending angle and test times. Flexing mode selection double side. Disconnection detection selection open. After disconnection, the test stops and the system automatically alarms. Close the safety door. Click Start button to start the test. After the test times is reached, the test will automatically stop. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.